मैं श्री राम जन्मभूमि पे काम करती हूँ। 4 लड़कों को बुला के उसने मेरे साथ जबरदस्ती सब कुछ किया, और जबकि मैं वहां से भागने की भी कोशिश की, लेकिन सर में चोट लगने की वजह से मैं बेहोश हो गई। उसके बाद उन लोगों ने मेरे साथ गलत काम किया, और 28 तारीख को मैं अपना एप्लीकेशन देने जा रही थी महिला थाना पे, तो वहाँ पे भी इन लोगों ने फोन करके मुझे डराया धमकाया, कहा कि अगर ऐसा करोगी तो जो तुम्हारे साथ हुआ है वही तुम्हारी बहनों के साथ करेंगे, तुम्हारे घर वालों के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं होगा। तो मैं डर की वजह से चली आई।
This case is particularly shocking as the victim works at the Ram Janmabhoomi temple, a high security area in Ayodhya. According to the complaint filed by the victim, who is a third-year BA student at the local college in Ayodhya, the events began on August 16 when she was approached by Vansh Chaudhary. According to the victim's statement, they had then called 3 additional friends who also joined in the assault, adding to her trauma. In the same sequence, 5 other friends of the 3 accused also molested her. According to the FIR, the first 3 accused took the victim to a garage in Barweenpur, where Vansh Chaudhary raped her again and his friend Shiva molested her in an intoxicated state.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. May Allah grant peace, prosperity, success, security to my India, my Saudi Arabia, my Palestine and the whole world. Gang rape in Ayodhya Ram Mandir. Gang rape in Ayodhya Ram Mandir. A sweeper girl who was an undergraduate also, gang raped by 8 Hindu men. The girl is also a Hindu. Imagine when you don't have the law of only God Allah, when you don't worship only God Allah, and don't obey final messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, don't have the law of Allah, not even Ram Mandir is safe. Not even Ram Mandir is safe. Rapes and murders will take place there also. Without Islam, everywhere it is dangerous. Remember.
दी कंट्री है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो भी वहाँ की सजा होती है वो इंडिया की सजा होनी चाहिए।
रेपिस्ट की सजा क्या होनी चाहिए?
सऊदी अरब की तरह एक सजा होनी चाहिए उसको। यहाँ पर
सजाए मौत होनी चाहिए, जैसे अरब में होती है वैसे यहाँ भी होनी चाहिए, हर जगह होनी चाहिए ये चीज।
जी मौत की सजा होनी चाहिए जो सऊदी अरब में है।
की सजा तो मौत ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 3 दिन के अंदर ही उसे मार देना चाहिए। ये लूट मार जो हो रहा है जैसे सऊदी अरब में नहीं है, यहाँ भी वैसे कानून होना चाहिए।
First point is, unfortunately, our country is not being governed by Sharia. If it would have been governed by Sharia, there would be no rapes, feticide, triple talaq, corruption, lynchings, murders, riots, etc. Look at Saudi Arabia. They don't have all Nirbhayas and Geeta. Punish every rapist and murderer with capital punishment.
Every rapist should be hanged. That's the bottom line.
Then only our daughters will be safe. Every Indian daughter should be protected. In India, the rapist and murderer with capital punishment. Like that of Saudi Arabia. Because of that in Saudi, least rapes are there, least murders are there. Thanks to Islamic law. Bring that in India and give that job to us. I'll do that inshallah personally. As a son of Indian Army Naik, I'm saying, let us punish every rapist and murderer with capital punishment. Protect Indian daughters. That is the only option.
See, to be very frank and honest, no man-made law has ever assured security to any woman in any part of the world. Millions and millions of Hindu daughters are dying in our nation due to feticide. Rapes are taking place in mandirs and ashrams. Why? Law is there, but man-made law,
should we not
no
reform
result. Let us have the God-sent law like
Are
that
you
of Saudi
arguing
Arabia.
against reform
then
of
only
law,
the
sir?
assurance will be there for the security
Mr.
for every
Sharifuddin,
daughter
what kind
of
of
India. This new India which we are having today, unfortunately, is full of rapes, dowry deaths, feticide, murders, lynchings, and so on. So we want to say that let us make a new India where the life, modesty and wealth should be secured. We should have security of all these things, and that is possible.
We are not discussing women's safety here.
By Sudhashu Trivedi of BJP.